What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com. And in this video, I want to share with you 10 plus platforms you can use to find great deals on raw land. But stay tuned all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you some strategies within this to get even better deals. So walking through real quick here, all the platforms that you should be researching. First one is LandWatch, and LandWatch is probably the biggest. It can become a little overwhelming because everybody's on here and you really have to niche down whatever area you're interested in. But LandWatch is a great resource to go ahead and find the values of properties in areas that you may want to invest in. The next one, and I like this one the most out of these personally, as far as bigger platforms go, Land and Farm. A little easier to research your properties through. Not as many sellers on there. So if there's an area you do like, you can really zone in on it, find some deals, and go from there. The next one, Lands of America. And these first three, these are like the top three. And I think they actually had a merger together and they're all basically the same company at this point, just three different platforms. But Lands of America, another great resource to research land. Like all the other platforms, just put in your state, county, your price, your acres, search, and then start narrowing it down from there to make sure you find a parcel or acreage at a price point you're interested in. The next one, Landflip, little smaller platform, but once again, another good resource to find some great deals. Landhub. I had there's some cool story behind this too about the guy that built it up and flipped the actual platform. But Landhub, another great website to go ahead and research properties. Land Central. Now, Land Central is a big player in the marketplace. They're not actually listing other people's lands. They are just one seller listing all the properties they have available, but they are a massive wholesaler in the land marketplace. So go ahead and research their deal, see if it would make sense for you, and then you can make a move from there. And they seller finance everything as well. I'm not an affiliate for them. I just know they're a big player in the marketplace. You can find a lot of deals on their platform. Now let's get on to some of the free, smaller social platforms that you can negotiate deals on even better. Our favorite, Craigslist. There's always deals on Craigslist, and you can negotiate with people a lot easier than you can on some of the bigger platforms. So whatever area you're interested in, just go ahead and search it out. Go to Craigslist here, search out the state and city you're interested in, and then just put land in for the keyword and see what you can find and see if there is a deal for you. Your social platforms next. Let's go with the big three here, maybe big four. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then maybe LinkedIn would be the best ones to go ahead and find land deals, connect with land wholesalers on there, and really research some properties. Now, everything I just showed you, roughly 10 plus platforms there, are just the entryway to the game here. Now, what you really want to do is when you're searching deals on these platforms, is you want to find out who the wholesalers are on there that have property in your area, and then you're going to hop over to their website. So, like our website is Raw Land Investments, where we typically all of our deals are seller financed at $25 a month. We want to be the biggest seller financing wholesale platform there is out there. And then there's other people like Savvy Lands, who has they seem to focus in Texas for the most part, but great wholesale deals on their website as well. So these big platforms, like I said, you want to use these to get connected with the individual players, build a relationship with them, and then from there you could go ahead and make purchases on great parcels. Or if you're an investor, you could build a wholesale retail relationship where you go to the bigger fish, you buy off of them in bulk, and then you turn around and resell them to your buyers on your platform. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to do that, check the links in the description. There is the landflippingformula.com, which is a completely free audio I created sharing how to buy and sell raw land for profits. Or if you're just looking for affordable property, you could stop by rawlandinvestments.com. There will be a link to that as well. Feel free to comment below with any questions about the land investing business. I will create a video answering your question. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.